Hi guys, I'm back with another today. I'm going to teach you how to make your own tornado in the bottle. In a couple weeks ago, I was going to show you how to make this, but I didn't have time to do a video, but I was going to show you how it works, how this works.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, but I was going to show you how to make a tornado. First, you get this bottle of water, and then you put this cap on, and then you put another bottle on. You hold it on very tight, and then you put the other bottle on, and then really tight, and then you flip it over. Really tight.
Is it really tight?
Yeah. And then you flip it over, but you see no tornado. That's why you need to. Just look out there. You go to
There we go. Whoa, look at that.
And look on the top. You
Oh,
can see it
wow.
from the top and the bottom. And look on the bottom.
Oh,
Look at the tornado. You can spin it a little bit more.
Oh,
A big one
whoa.
comes.
How cool.
But if you spin a little bit more, a super big one will come.
Oh, whoa. That's really cool. Thanks for
So-
sharing.
Bye. See you in the next video.